Hi, good morning po sa inyong lahat. It's really an honor and a privilege po to become your business presenter this morning or tonight. Palakpakan naman natin si Abjelo for giving us that warm introduction. So thank you so much, Coach Jello, for that. And hello po sa inyong lahat. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening to everyone. I hope that everyone is doing great. Alam ko medyo maulan ngayon, but despite of that, I hope na talagang nandoon yung time that we will be giving for this presentation po. All right. So just hold on lang po. Wait lang po ah. Ayan. So again, ako po si Coach Justin Andrew Pineda. I am from Santa Rosa, Laguna. Pero my province is Pampanga po. Yan. Baka may mga taga Pampanga po dyan. Hello po. So you can type
Recording in
your
progress.
location on your chat box para we can see kung hanggang saan na po ba umaabot itong ating presentation sa iConnect. So again, welcome to the business presentation of iConnect. I hope that everyone ay talagang nandoon na magbigay ng oras, maglaan tayo ng oras for this. Kasi this is really very important. Alam bawat isa sa inyo is having siguro question in mind, what is iConnect? But all throughout the presentation, talagang pag-uusapan natin who is iConnect and ano ba talaga yung advantage, bakit natin kailangan gawin si iConnect. Yan. So again, magandang umaga, gabi, hapon. Kasi I know we have some distributors or viewers or clients all over the world, not only sa Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao. Meron din po tayo sa Israel, meron tayo sa Hong Kong, meron din po tayo sa iba't ibang parte ng Pilipinas at ng ibang lugar. Yan. So to start with our presentation, let me ask you a question na kung naniniwala ba tayong lahat na ang ginagawa natin ay patungkol sa pagkita ng pera. So patunayan po natin yan. Kasi nung mga bata tayo, lalo na po ako, no, I'm a double degree holder, sinabi po sa akin ng magulang ko, anak, mag-aral ka ng mabuti para paglaki mo makahanap ka ng magandang trabaho. So ako naman, that's what I'm dreaming of. So nung nagkatrabaho na ako, kala ko okay na lahat kasi sabi nila pag nagkatrabaho ka, magkakaroon ka ng magandang income, magkakaroon ka ng magandang buhay. But definitely, sabi nga nila parang na-scam ata ako doon. Kasi bakit? Yung, yung work that I have that time is talaga magpuproduce ng income. Kasi my first work is I am branch manager of a school. Kaso nga lang, the question is, sapat ba yung income na yon for these two things? Ano yung dalawang bagay na yan? Yun yung needs and wants. Ano ba yung needs and wants? Yung needs kasi, these are the things na araw-araw nating pangangailangan katulad ng pagkain, tubig, transportation, kung ano pa yung kinagamit natin for our daily needs. Kaso nga lang, meron din tayong mga wants o yung mga gusto. Like katulad nakita natin sa mga video kanina, mag-travel. Sino gusto mag-travel, di ba? Ako, I'm traveling not only in the Philippines but also sa iba't ibang lugar. So kumbaga, meron din tayong gustong sasakyan, magandang sasakyan, sports car or mga luxury items. Kaso nga lang, ang nakakalungkot, mga kapatid or mga kaibigan, yung realidad ng buhay, dun sa income na meron tayo ngayon, is dun pa lang sa needs, ay kulang na. Kaya hindi na natin napapansin yung wants. Pero alam niyo po ba, kailangan din natin magkaroon ng ganun. Kasi we deserve a life that it's in fullest. Talagang dapat magkaroon tayo ng ganong buhay, 'di ba? Hindi naman tayo pwedeng papayag lang na ganito lang yung buhay na meron tayo. So we deserve better. Kaya ano yung gagawin natin? Kasi maraming Pilipino ngayon, they're looking for a greener pasture. That means they're looking for something na makakapag-provide sa kanila ng better income. And kung wala silang makita dito sa Pilipinas, then again, they will be looking for going to abroad. Kasi sa abroad, sabi nila, malaki yung income, maganda yung income, greener pasture. Tsaka maganda yung sabihin nating way of living doon. But when you started working abroad, again, definitely, hindi po yan sabihin na nating mabilis. 'Di ba? Napakahirap po. Yung mapalayo ka lang sa pamilya mo, mahirap na. How much more yung mabuhay ka na mag-isa sa isang lugar na hindi ka naman pamilyar. So, syempre, hindi ka naman diyan magtatagal because your aim is to have savings. 5, 10 years to 20 years, that's, I think, enough. Then, yung savings na yon, is pagbalik mo sa Pilipinas, eh, ano naman yung gagawin mo for that savings na hindi maubos? At siyempre hindi ka na naman magtatrabaho kasi siyempre alam mo yung pagod ka na magtrabaho sa ibang bansa tapos kaya ka nga umalis ng Pilipinas, eh. Tapos pagbalik mo magtatrabaho ka ulit. So I think the end point of that is for you, if you have savings, is to do business. So sa haba-haba pala ng pinag-uusapan natin kanina, eh magnenegosyo ka pala rin, bakit hindi mo pa gawin ngayon? So if all of us agree that we will be doing business, there are three types of businesses. Number one po, itong negosyo na to is yung tinatawag po natin na traditional business. Ako, I've experienced traditional business. I have milk tea business and also yung mga sari-sari store, computer shop, karinderya. All of those are traditional business. Ibig sabihin yan, malaki yung puhunan na ilalaan mo, kaso nga lang, barya-barya lang yung kikitain mo. And that's true. Kumbaga sa sari-sari store nga lang may bibiling bata magkano, piso, magkano kita mo dun, 'di ba? O bibili ng pisong candy, yun nga wala na atang pisong candy ngayon kasi dapat 5 piso, tatlo na, eh. So, makikita natin na yung kapital dun hindi naman basta-basta lang. Alam niyo po ba ang kapital na ininvest namin sa milk tea business namin is almost 500,000. At ang nakakatuwa doon, eh, yung 500,000 na yun, hindi agad-agad mako-convert into income. Kasi bakit? Most of those are nasa inventory mo. Nandoon sa tinatawag nating mga stocks na meron ka. Hindi ka naman pwede kasing bumili ng isa lang na flavor ng Hokkaido, ng salted caramel, ng cookies and cream, tapos bibili ka ulit kinabukasan. So, meron kang stocks talaga doon. And nakakalungkot, nandun na pupunta lahat. And ang overhead expenses natin is napakalaki. Kasi bakit meron kang binabayarang kuryente, tubig, renta. Just imagine our rent expense during that time is 30,000 monthly. Just imagine that. Eh, syempre may babayaran ka pang internet, 'di ba? Tapos may mga kupit-kupit pa minsan yung mga empleyado. I'm not saying everyone, pero syempre may human factor tayong tinatawag. And also the competition. The competition is very hard, 'di ba? The competition is very plenty. Magtayo ka dito ng isang sari-sari store, mainggit yung katabi mo, magtatayo din. Magtatayo din yung kabila, hanggang sa lahat na kayo do'n sari-sari store na. So definitely napakahirap, and on the first year of traditional business, 95% is talagang failure. Kasi they don't have any experience at all. So kung magta-traditional business ka, then you can choose this one. Pero meron naman tayong tinatawag na malaki yung kitaan, kaso malaki rin yung puhunan. And these are franchising business, 'di ba? Nag-franchise ka ng McDonald's, ng Jollibee, ng Mang Inasal, hindi po biro yung puhunan natin dito. 'Di ba, 35 million to 50 million investment capital. Sino po ba meron sa atin nun? Kung meron po kayo, congratulations. Baka puwede pong magpahiram kayo. Pero sad to say, many of us, wala tayong ganitong kalaking kapital. And even ako, kung meron man ako, definitely mag-iisip din ako. Bakit? Alam niyo ba, when it comes to franchising business, even though you have the capital, if you don't have an experience when it comes to business, yung background mo, hindi ka rin iaalaw. Kasi bakit? Ayaw nila na masira yung franchise. So definitely, you need to have, yung business background. Nagnenegosyo ba talaga 'to? Ilang taon na ba 'to nagnenegosyo? Because that's really important. So ang maganda dito, 200 to 500 monthly income, that's really good. Kaso nga lang the disadvantage is 8 years yung return of investment. Gaano katagal yung investment natin bago natin mabawi? Pero alam niyo ba guys, good news for today. Meron tayong business na maliit lang ang puhunan, pero malaki yung income na puwedeng ibigay sa atin, and that's network marketing, 'di ba? Network marketing, what's good, it's no risk business kasi bakit, magkano lamang yung puhunan na ilalaan natin, and also it gives us equal chances. 'Pag sinabing equal chances po, para sa lahat. Nag-aral ka man o hindi, ano man yung status mo sa buhay, ano mang background mo, as long as you want to do the business, it gives you the income that you wanted. And it's the wave of the future and trend. Bakit? Up until now, meron pa rin naman na gumagawa ng network marketing. And it's continuous. And sabi dito, 83% of millionaires come from network marketing. Kaya kung ikaw, gusto mong maging milyonaryo, I hope you will consider this. So ano ba yung network marketing business? So the network marketing business, since we are all agreed na sa tatlong yun possible, network marketing ang gusto nating simulan, it's a system of moving products from the factory down to end consumers through a network of users, retailers, and network builders. So kumbaga sa network marketing, it's not only about na ikaw dapat mag-build ka agad ng team mo. So you can start with user. Try ka muna ng product. 'Di ba? Baka tayo hindi pa nakaka-try ng product. So let's try muna the product if it's really effective. And if it's effective, then you can sell. You can sell that. So mag-alok ka, magbebenta ka daw. If the time is right, na if you have a lot of people who's buying, then you can build your business and your network already. So hindi naman lahat talagang magbi-build ng network. Some of them will be just users and retailers. Next po natin is the channel of distribution. So makikita po natin the channel of distribution, kaya pala lumalaki o tumataas yung presyo ng isang produkto. It is because sa traditional channel of distribution natin, we can see that there are a lot of levels pa na pagdadaanan. Kaya patong-patong eh. Like sa factory, may wholesaler pa, may middleman. Just imagine, may area agent, meron pa tayong retailing store, then to the consumers. Kaya pala tumataas yung presyo ng produkto. And we have also advertisers and also endorsers. Unlike sa multi-level marketing or MLM, from factory to the company to the distributor, then to the consumer. So kaya pala, hindi ganun kamahal yung patong dun sa produkto kasi direct tayo from the factory, company, then to the distributor, then consumers. So what's good with this? We have word of mouth, advertisement. Yun lang yung ginagamit, sinishare lang. Wala tayong TV ads, no radio ads, and no billboard and star power. Sabi nga nila, kung gusto mo maging artista, dito ka sa MLM. Kasi bakit magiging artista ka? Kasi you will be the product of your own product. Okay? So next po natin sa ating slide will be this one. Sabi kasi nila, ayaw nila ng networking. 'Di ba marami siguro kayong nakausap 'no, na ayaw ng network marketing kasi they think it is scam, they think that network marketing is not really good. Ayaw nilang gawin, but just imagine, if you're using Twitter, you're using Facebook, you're using Pinterest, you're using Snapchat, you're using Viber. Sino bang wala nito, 'di ba? Eh, ginagamit mo na rin ang networking because that's social networking site. Kung ayaw mo ng networking, di wag ka nang manood ng TV, di ba? Nanonood ka ng GMA, ng TV5, ng ABS-CBN, and these are in TV network. Napakadami rin po ng gumagamit niyan. And syempre, meron din tayong tinatawag na telecommunication network. These are Globe, Smart, TM, Sandito. So, ibig sabihin pala, without knowing, nasa networking na pala tayo. We don't know yet. Pero, nandun na pala ginagamit na natin siya. Kaya maganda din that we are giving these people an idea of what is network marketing. Kaya napaka palad po ninyo that you are here in this presentation because I believe that there's no accident. Everything happens for a reason. Next po, sa ating slide will be, sabi nila, marami ring tao na naniniwala sa network marketing and these are big people. These are huge people. Just imagine Bill Gates. Sabi niya if he would be given a chance to start all over again, he will rather choose network marketing. Just imagine that. He is the owner of Microsoft Group of Companies. So kung papipiliin siya, kung magsisimula siya sa ulit, he will choose network marketing. And also Donald Trump and Robert T. Kiyosaki, which is they really recommend network marketing. So ito ay big people na po ito, no? They have names already, but they are also encouraging everyone to do network marketing. Next is we have also sinasabi nila na network marketing in abroad or in other countries, most especially sa ibang bansa, no, sa US, they treat network marketing as a profession. Bakit? They have courses for it. Just imagine, no? We have the Western Illinois University and Harvard University who is offering network marketing courses. And also in the Philippines, we have Ateneo and De La Salle. So hindi po ito basta-basta mga schools. They are really quality and best schools. But they are offering network marketing. So kumbaga, what we're trying to tell to you is ang network marketing is hindi po biro, hindi rin to basta-basta, hindi to putyo-putyo. It's not, sabihin natin na small time business, it's a big time business. Kaya nga po sinasabi namin that there are people who's really recommending this. So sabi ko nga po, no, sa dami ng network marketing here in the Philippines and also in other country, I hope that you will consider iConnect. Kasi iConnect is really the future. Sabi nga dito, it's the birth of interconnected industry era. So what's good with this? We have e-commerce. If you're familiar with e-commerce, we have franchising, we have branding, we have distribution. It's in one collaboration system. Etong apat na to nasa isang sistema na. So bakit ka pa hanap ng iba? Baga 4-in-1, di ba? Kaya napakaganda po ng iConnect. Kaya welcome po to iConnect again. And makita po natin that we have also the chairman and the president of iConnect, who is Boss TJ Dizon and President Jonas Nueva. These people, these amazing people, has really a wide experience. Kaya kami very much trusted itong mga taong ito because their profile really speaks for themselves. Kumbaga, kung pag-aaralan natin yung profile nila, sabi nga nila, if you really wanted to become a good doctor, go to a good doctor. If you wanted to become a good attorney, then go to good attorney. So these are the best among the best. Itong mga taong po ito. And also, we have our office at Lancaster Hotel. So, kakapunta lang namin dyan last time and jam-pack po talaga. Kumbaga, napakadami po talagang tao during that time nung pumunta kami. And we're all excited na kayo rin ay makapunta sa ating office just to experience that, sabihin nating warmth and kumbaga, yung feels that we really have here at iConnect. Next po. So, our next are the legalities. So, ito po napakahalaga. Legalities is very important kasi syempre maraming tao, legit ba yan? Maraming tao are asking talagang okay ba ang iConnect? Yes, we are all legal because we have under SEC, we are also have BIR, and also we are FDA approved for the products that we have. So all of those are the legalities of iConnect. Next po. Yan. Next po sa slide natin are the products lineup. What is really good with iConnect, it has a wide arrays of product. Pag sinabing wide arrays, kumbaga, marami tayong produktong ino-offer. First natin dyan is yung barley gummies natin. Barley gummies is very important din po na matake natin yan. Bakit? Si barley gummies kasi, speaking of barley kasi is really giving us the complete nutrients. Bakit po? Kasi yung barley talaga is really very good sa ating katawan. So lahat po yan, kumbaga lahat po ng kailangan ng katawan po natin ay sabihin na po natin na bibigay po ni barley. So just imagine, kung umiinom po kayo ng barley, di ba? Kung nagtitake kayo ng barley powder, di ba? Napakaganda po talaga nun. Kaso nga lang, what's good with iConnect is we improve that and turn that into gummies. Kasi syempre, napaka-hassle-free po talaga na magtimpla-timpla tayo, no? Pero ngayon dito, it gives us the convenience. It gives us the, kumbaga, easy a way of drink or taking barley, which is through gummies. So napakaganda nito kasi it's giving us the whole totality for the immune system. Mas natutulungan po talaga. Next po natin is yung ating tinatawag na, what is next in our line? Apple cider vinegar. So apple cider vinegar are also good for us, especially to those who wanted na magkaroon ng weight management loss. Kasi po, ang apple cider vinegar can suppress our appetite. So that's the time na pag tinake po natin, so syempre hindi ka na magugutom. Then pag hindi ka na magugutom, hindi ka masyadong kakain, and the effect of that is magkakaroon ka ng weight loss. Kaya po napakaganda po ni apple cider vinegar. Kaya I suggest to those who wanted really to have their weight loss, just take apple cider vinegar. At saka ang maganda po kasi dito, hindi na to katulad nung mahirap inumin. 'Di ba pag yung apple cider talaga na with mother, yung mother sa sinasabi na ang asim, sobrang asim na early in the morning, empty stomach. So medyo mahirap po talaga siyang i-intake. Unlike this apple cider vinegar, it's really good for us na gummies form na po siya. Next po is we have our, ano ba to? Berberine, yan. So Berberine is really good. Alam niyo po ba, Berberine is one of the future products or the product of the future. Bakit? Si Berberine po kasi is sugar blocker. Some of you, syempre, baka hindi kayo familiar with Berberine, pero in the naturopathy industry, in the industry of health, talagang napakadami ng nag-offer ng Berberine kasi Berberine is a sugar blocker. Ibig sabihin po nun, it's really good for those who have diabetes or may mataas na blood sugar level. So berberine is really good. And ang maganda po dito, it's a plant-based. Kaya talagang pwedeng-pwede. Para doon sa may mga hormonal imbalance, we also have actually a testimony of it na meron siyang, matagal siyang hindi nagkakaroon, pero nung nag-take siya ng berberine gummies natin, after taking it, biglang nag-release siya ng mga fluids, mga blood na talagang matagal nang naimbak. So it's really, sabihin na po nating effective talaga for those who wanted to take that. Okay? And last for our gummies is yung ating tinatawag na glutathione collagen. So what's good with this, pinagsama na po siya. It's a 2-in-1 product. Kasi some other products is different pa po ang glutathione, iba pa po ang collagen. So when it comes to these products, is very, sabihin na po nating, recommended talaga. So what's good with glutathione? Alam naman natin that glutathione is a liver detoxifier, while collagen po, it really gives us good skin, fingernails, hair, and nakakapagpag-glow rin po siya. So what's good with this, it really gives us the glowing effect as well. So maganda rin pong i-take natin ito, lalo na sa mga nagpapaganda, nagpapabata. We give the glutathione collagen kasi as we grow older, yung collagen natin sa katawan is bumababa na. So mas maganda po yung elasticity kasi ng balat natin as we grow older, kaya nagsasag yan, it is because bumababa na, kaya we need to take also collagen. Okay, so these are the 4 gummies that we have. Moving forward, aside from the food supplements, we also have beauty products. Ayan nga po yung Aurum Essentials natin, which is Hikari. Ang maganda po dito is, ito po ay glutathione na din. Ang maganda sa kanya kasi, it really an antioxidant for our body and also a liver detoxifier. That's really the purpose of glutathione, to detoxify our liver. Kasi po, pag yung liver po natin is madumi, especially pag ikaw ay umiinom or maraming mga kinakain na hindi healthy, so our liver is, ano siya kumbaga hindi nagiging maayos yung function. So, what's good with our glutathione is na de-detoxify niya yung liver. Once the liver is been detoxified, then that's the time that it can reflect to our skin. Kaya nagiging maganda yung skin, nagiging whiter. So, that's really the purpose of glutathione. Next po natin is we have our boom. Ayan. We have also our daily herbs vitality. What's good with this? It has guava leaves, it has moringa, it has guyabano, avocado, and the calabash or the miracle fruit. What's good with this daily herbs nating vitality? It really gives us the antioxidant. It's rich in antioxidants. So, pinapababa niya yung pagkabulok ng isang bagay. So, that means yung aging process is binababa niya, and also it supports our immune system. May support also our digestive health. Kaya maganda rin po itong product na ito. So, pwede nyo siyang ipalit dun sa mga iniinom natin na ibang mga tea, lalo na yung mahilig sa mga tsaa. So, Daily Herbs Vitality is really a good product for us. Ayan. Next po is we have the Hikari Skin Essential Ultra White Sunscreen. So, ito po, gamit-gamit po natin yan. So, ayan. So, we have this product. So, ginagamit talaga natin yung product. What's good with this, it's a glowing effect. Meron siyang glowing effect sa atin. And it can gives us, sabihin natin, wala siyang white cast if you will be using it. Walang white cast dun sa ating muka. So, napakaganda po nitong ultra sunscreen po natin, which is very recommended. Tsaka napakakilala po nito nowadays, kaya maganda rin pong i-offer natin sa mga clients po natin. It's only 180 pesos. Next po. Ayan. This Wonder Bleach, it's actually a face and body bleaching cream. Ang maganda po sa kanya kasi, there are bleaching cream na needed pong banlawan pa. But when you apply this Wonder Bleach, hindi mo na kailangang banlawan, And what's good is magkakaroon na po agad siya ng glowing effect sa atin. May video po ako niya na ginawa, talagang makikita mo yung difference nila na meron ditong maputi-puti, tapos dito makita mo yung normal skin that you have. So it's very effective po. Lalo na sa gustong pumuti. Ayan. So that's our Wonder Bleach. Talagang wonder talaga siya. Our next product is the Kilikilified by Sashna. So what's good with Kilikilified, it's hindi lang po siya pang underarm, but also it can helps yung mga singit po natin, yung mga dark areas natin sa tuhod, even sa siko, natutulungan po ni Kilikilify. Next. Yan, this is the Saskin set. Ang maganda po sa kanya is meron na po siyang facial cleanser, meron na rin po siyang toner, eye cream, and meron na rin po siyang serum. Maganda po sa kanya, alam niyo yung sa set na ito, magkano lang, it's 500 pesos. Just imagine, ganun po siya ka-mura, ka-affordable, but yet the products is very, sabihin po natin talagang world class. And also yung products, pag nakita niyo po siya, very effective po talaga. Next. Our next is the Keepified. Ito naman po yung shower gel for girls sa kanilang mga intimate parts. So it's a feminine wash actually na pwede po nilang gamitin para mas fresh and talagang mas sabihin nating mas maaganda at maayos po talaga yung mga areas, intimate areas nila. So next po. Yan. So we have also soap here at iConnect. We have the OG Kagayako, which is a bleaching soap. What's good with this, it's a 10 times instant whitening. So gagamitin po natin siya. We just need that to be in our body like 3 to 5 minutes will do. Kasi it's a bleaching soap. So magkakaroon siya ng micro-peeling. Hindi naman siya yung magbabalat-balat katulad ng iba, but it has a micro-peeling. Pero wag lang natin siya masyadong ibababad. So 5 minutes to 3 to 5 minutes will do. Yan po. Then the last product that we have is the niacinamide peeling soap. So this naman, it has 30 times whitening and brightening effect. So alam naman natin that niacinamide, it's really good as of the moment sa balat, kaya maganda po ito i-offer din. So these are the line of products that we have. So maganda po ba yung mga produkto? Pwede type natin dyan, maganda. Maganda kayo. Maganda ang produkto ng iConnect. So I hope that every one of you have the idea. O yan, may nagsabing maganda. Yung iba ata hindi nagandahan. So napakaganda po ng produkto. If maganda yung produkto, maganda din na pag-usapan natin paano gawing negosyo. So how to become an official distributor of iConnect? Napakadali lang po talaga niyan. And I'll be giving you the idea kung paano siya naging madali na maging official distributor of iConnect. First and foremost, ang kailangan lang po natin gawin is of course to avail our iNetwork products or package which worth 2,000 pesos. Just imagine. 'Di ba? Yung pinag-uusapan natin kaninang traditional franchising and network marketing business, ito yung maliit na puhunan pero malaki yung kitaan. Just imagine you have 2,000 pesos and you have already a dropshipping business. Just imagine that. And ano po ba yung makakasama nitong iConnect network products po natin or package? So ano yung inclusion ng pagiging distributor natin of being as iConnect? So number 1 po is you'll be having 30% lifetime discount. Just imagine you have already 30% lifetime discount on all the products na pinag-usapan natin kanina sa next purchase mo. Just imagine yung binigay sa atin na favor ni iConnect being a distributor. Pangalawa po, aside from you having the lifetime discount of 30%, you also have 50,000 accident insurance. Just imagine, you are also protected here at iConnect. And also, you will be having a dropshipping business or dropshipping system. Ano ba yung dropshipping system na to, di ba? Ito isang online business model kung saan magkakaroon ka ng online store kahit wala ka namang sariling stocks or inventory, na kapag umorder sa'yo yung isang client, papasok na lang sa'yo yun at magiging komisyon. Just imagine that, no? Ang magpapadala nun is company mismo. 'Di ba, nandun ka lang sa bahay, may umorder sa link mo, and after that, magpo-process si company, ipapadala sa client mo, then papasok na yung commission sa inyo. Okay ba yon, 'di ba? Are we good with that dropshipping system? So, pangatlo pa lang po yan. Meron pa tayong 4 pa to add to that. So, sulit na po ba yung tatlo? Ayan, gusto niyo na po ba yung tatlo pa lang? Sulit na, no? So, pang-apat po is Distributor Tracking Center where you can check your business online, 24/7, local, international. Ang maganda po dito, bibigyan po kayo ng company ng account. You'll be having an account name and password. Then you will input that to the system. Tapos makikita niyo na po doon yung business na meron po kayo. Then we have free training and support. Just imagine, no, yung magti-train and mag-support sa atin dito are not just sabihin nating mga ano lang, simpleng tao, but they are really good sa business na meron po tayo. And it's really for free. That's what we can give to you as our support. Just imagine sa 2,000 may training ka na, magkano kaya ang training sa labas? So, napakasulit talaga. And also, we have free travel incentive. Kanina napanood natin, kung naabutan niyo po yung mga videos that we have, siguro nakita niyo yung mukha ko doon, no? I'm one of those, sabihin nating leaders who really had the chance and opportunity to travel, not only here in the Philippines, but also abroad. Kaya napakaganda po that we have this kind of benefit as a distributor of iConnect. And of course, number 7 is we have a business opportunity to earn 5,000 per week. Just imagine with the 2,000 pesos that you invested, you will have 5,000 per week or in a month, that's 20,000. Sa 2,000 lang na nilabas mo. So ang tanong ko po, sulit o sulit na sulit? 'Di ba? 'Pag hindi pa 'to naging sulit, grabe. Hindi ko na alam kung ano pang gusto ninyo. Sa 2,000 lang na pinag-uusapan, tapos ang presenter niyo pa international pa, tapos napaka-pogi pa, wala na talaga. Tapos na ang laban sa iConnect. So these are the products that these are the sabihin nating benefits of being an iConnect distributor. Ayan, so lahat na po ba magdi-distributor, lahat na po ba mag-iConnect, 2,000 lang ang pinag-uusapan natin, guys, ha? Yan. So moving forward, siyempre ayan yung benefits pa lang, wala pang kitaan diyan. So siyempre excited ang lahat 'pag pinagsabing kitaan, 'di ba? Yung mga nagniningning kanilang mga mata 'pag sinabing kitaan. Na nowadays, I believe that we really need other source of income. And this gives us really something na madadagdag talaga yung income. So we have 3 ways of earning here at iConnect. Number 1 is direct selling. Dito, mga clients or mga customers natin or mga leaders natin that is in this presentation, you can have the 30% lifetime discount as what I've said kanina. Ang maganda kasi dito kung ikaw mahilig kang magbenta, puwede kang kumita din. So, ito ang maganda dito, no, katulad po nito, no, barley, ayan. Akala niyo kasi hindi tayo nagte-take ng products, ayan, bukas na po yan, So, yung barley natin, the SRP or suggested retail price is 997. Pero you can get that as a distributor ng 697 pesos only because of the 30% lifetime discount. Just imagine the profit that you have is 300 pesos in one bottle. Paano kung nakabenta ka ng 10 sa isang linggo? That's additional 3,000 pesos. So, malaking bagay na din, di ba? Kasi we're talking about you doing it na as a direct seller o yung nagbebenta-benta lang. So, marami naman tayong mga kakilala na pwedeng mag-avail ng products. So, pwedeng-pwede po to sa kanila. But, if you don't want selling, if hindi mo gusto to, hindi mo to forte, that's okay. Because we have other ways of earning here at iConnect. Pangalawa po natin is direct referral bonus. So, sa direct referral bonus natin, in every direct sponsor that you have, or in every, sabihin nating, kakilala mo na gustong mag-avail ng distributors package natin na worth 2,000 pesos, meron kang 200 direct referral. So, ibig sabihin nun, kada iNetwork package na kukuha sa'yo, you have 200 pesos on the top of it. So, ang maganda dito, that's unlimited. When we say unlimited, kung may 10 ka, that's 200 pesos, that's 2,000. Kung may 100, that's 200 pesos, multiply by 200, that's 20,000. So, sky is the limit. So, bahala na po kayo kung mas magaling kayo talaga dito sa direct referral. So, maganda dito is magkakaroon ka ng unlimited 200 pesos. Okay? So, last is yung pangatlo po natin is yung tinatawag po nating sales matching bonus. So, dito po kasi sa iConnect, we are using the binary system. Kumbaga, meron tayong formula po dito that 1 left plus 1 right equals 1 pair. And 1 pair equals to 500 pesos. Paano po ba yan? Kung makikita natin dito sa ating presentation, we have left sales group and right sales group. So, dalawa lang naman po yan. Parang kamay natin. The left and the right. So, yun lang. We're focusing on that. So, ibig sabihin, kung meron pumasok sa isa, kabilang side mo or sa left side mo, that's one person, di ba ang kita mo dapat dun 200 pesos lang? Di ba? 200 pesos lang. So, pag meron ka namang isang tao din na nag-join sa'yo o nag-avail nung distributor package natin na worth 2,000 pesos, ilagay mo sa kabila. So, ano dapat yung income mo dyan? That's 200 pesos also. That's 200 times 2. That's 400. Ang good news po dyan, since we have sales matching bonus, nakita ng system, meron ka isa sa left, isa sa right. There's additional 500 pesos on the top of the 400 pesos. So, sa dalawang tao na napasali mo, that's 900 pesos. Diba? Just imagine that. Yun yung system na meron si iConnect na talagang magugulat ka. Kasi, alam niyo po ba, part of being nasa tinlang ng life insurance and also sa real estate, we also have commission. Pero yung commission-based kasi namin, pag nakabenta ka, yun na yun, di ba? Pero dito kasi, aside from nakabenta ka na, di ba nakabenta ka na nung una, ang maganda dyan sa system natin, basta may dalawa na makita ang system, isa sa left, isa sa right, magmamatch yan 500 ng 500. So kaya makikita mo dito, 500, 500, 500 pesos down to infinity. What's good is we have also safety net, which is 5,000 per week. And that's a potential income po natin na 20,000 per month. So yun po yung maganda kay iConnect. Just imagine, ang puhunan lang pinag-uusapan natin is magkano? Type nyo nga doon sa ating sa ating chat box kung magkano puhunan ang pinag-uusapan natin para magkaroon ka ng ganitong benefit. That's 2,000. That's 2K. Pero if you have, sabihin natin, Coach, meron bang mas malaki o mas mataas na entry? Yes, definitely we have. So, eto po sa susunod nating slides, I'll be giving you the different packages that we have. Okay? So, kanina pinag-uusapan lang po natin isang iNetwork, which is 2,000 pesos. Then we have the worth of product na 2,994. Then 30% discount, 500 ang pairing bonus, and direct referral, 200 pesos. Then 5K per week. So, meron tayong mga star packages, which is the higher packages that we have. So, just, ito lang po para clear sa bawat isa. All of us will start from iNetwork. So, lahat po tayo mag-start sa 2,000. Then, we can just upgrade. We cannot direct na pumili. So, Coach, 5-star agad, 217,000. Hindi po pwede. Lahat po tayo ay dadaan muna sa iNetwork, which is 2,000 pesos. So, sa 1-star natin, we have 7,000. Tapos 21,000, 49,000, 105,000, 217,000. Ang gusto ko lang ipakita sa inyo dito, the higher the package that you have, the higher the worth of product din that it can give you. Just imagine dito sa 217,000, doon na lang tayo pag-usapan natin. Sa 217,000, imagine mo yung worth of product na babalik sa'yo. That's 619,000. Kung pag-uusapan lang po natin yung kalahati, that's 400,000. So, ibig sabihin, may kita ka agad na magkano? 200,000 ulit. So, kumbaga, makita natin, it's really promising for us to have this. Then the discount, just imagine, up until 65% discount. Imagine nyo po yun. Before, yung iba, binibigay lang 50%, 55%. Pero dito, up until 65%. And, ang income nun is talagang infinite. Infinite na yung income nun. And makikita po natin dito that there will be a time na talagang ikaw na mismo yung mag-a-upgrade para sa sarili mo because there's really a lot of benefits to it. So, ito naman pong pinag-uusapan natin, I know na it's just a glimpse of it. Pwede po natin ito pag-usapan in a deeper, sabihin nating deeper sense, mas matagal na pag-uusap sa mga leaders or sa mga nag-invite sa inyo, you can discuss that to them and you can ask that. Kasi para mas malinaw. Pero this is just an overview of it. Okay, so again, that's the presentation that I have. Meron lang siguro tayo mga ipapakita sa inyo na mga sabihin natin kilala in the world of vlogging o yung mga vloggers po natin who is really part of iConnect. So nandyan yung makikita natin sa iConnect natin, we have Boss Toyo, we have Sashna Lapara, we have different sabihin nating influencers. Ayan. So nandyan yung si Loves Joy, yung asawa ni Boss Toyo. Actually si Boss Toyo and Loves Joy, na-meet ko po sila during the time that we have our um, event po sa Hong Kong. So personally dun ko pa po sila na-meet, hindi dito sa Pilipinas. Kasi ganun po kaganda ang Iconic. And meron tayong Princess Tan. Si Wamos also a part of it. Sash Nalaparan, Alia Raimundo, Papa Star, and Foreign Germs. So these influencers are distributors ha. No, quoted po yan, distributor po sila. They also have their own distributor tracking center na talagang sila po ay nag-i-income, 'di ba? Hindi po sila binayaran dito just to promote, but they're also doing the business itself. So you can watch this video habang ano po tayo, habang nandiyan po tayong lahat, okay? Ayan. So I think we're good na. Oh, ayan. Meron lang atang technical difficulties tayo.
Marami nang kumita sa
I-connect.
iConnect.
I-connect. I-connect. I-connect.
Marami nang
Ay, nag-thank you na. So, palakpakan naman natin. Thank you so much, guys, for listening and for having you here tonight sa atin. Salamat po sa pakikinig. And if you have question, feel free to ask sa ating chat box. And we will be giving you answers for that.